New Mexico is joining 17 other states challenging President Donald Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship.
News 13's Bello Olage spoke with the state's attorney general, who says the order is unconstitutional.
This is wasted energy and effort that's designed to scare people.
New Mexico Attorney General Raul Torres is pushing back on Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship.
Donald Trump thinks he can rewrite the Constitution with a stroke of the pen on day one.
Torres and 17 other attorneys general are suing the Trump administration.
If you're born here, you're an American citizen, you're not a second-class citizen, and you can't be excluded from this country.
The lawsuit seeks to invalidate the executive order and block any actions to enforce it, saying it's unquestionably unconstitutional.
The 14th Amendment is absolutely clear, and the Supreme Court case that interprets that passage of the Constitution is absolutely clear. So this is settled law.
The amendment says all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. Law professor Joshua Kastenberg says the issue brings up the question of presidential authority.
You have to ask, first of all, does the president have the power to do this? And I would say that it's doubtful that the courts will uphold him.
But he doesn't rule it out.
It's possible because you can never predict with a certainty what the United States Supreme Court will do.
Kastenberg explains Trump would need a constitutional amendment. It's a complicated process that begins in Congress and moves to the states, requiring 3/4 of states to approve.
Notice in that process, the president has been absent, and that was the intent of the framers of the Constitution.
The most important thing for people to understand is that we're fighting to uphold the Constitution and the rule of law.
Torres emphasizes the people this order will affect.
Terrorizing families and trying to, really undermine the basics of how we become Americans is not the way to go.
Bello Olage, KRQE, News 13.
The states in these cases are requesting immediate relief through a temporary restraining order and a preliminary injunction to prevent the order from taking effect.